Hey everybody. So if you're a startup company right now, one of your top problems is figuring out how to sell carbon dioxide removal credits. It's not even how to sell the carbon credits, right? It's getting them sold. Maybe you've got credits ready to deliver. Maybe you're planning a project and need a first customer. Setting that up is the blocker. And part of the problem of that is that you're spending all your time educating potential customers about carbon dioxide removal, about the method that your company uses, about the specific way that your company does this. And then you're working with them on what their own internal process is, because for your potential customer, this is likely their, first, maybe fifth, maybe 10th time they've done this, but they're still sorting things out internally. And you're having to spend your time on all of that. And so imagine you had an influx of customers who were already set. They had the internal processes working out. They already knew what removal was, what your methodology was. They even knew what your specific company was up to. That's where you're able to sell carbon dioxide removal credits more quickly, and you're able to sell more carbon dioxide removal credits than you're currently selling. So that's what we're creating with this upcoming workshop for the buyers community. It's called Demystifying Diligence. And what I need your help with is getting the word out to your potential customers so they can come get educated about demystifying diligence, and then they can come back to you and be ready to buy carbon dioxide removal credits. This event is hosted by members of the AirMiners Buyers Club. So share this out with the buyers community and let's demystify diligence and speed up purchasing of carbon dioxide removal credits.